Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the Rasa International School online classes. I hope all of you are doing well. This video is for class KG and nursery. Topic myself. Children, you know why I have come here today? Is there something special? चिल्ड्रन, आपको पता है आज हम यहाँ क्यों आए हैं? आज कुछ स्पेशल है क्या? नो, देयर इज नथिंग स्पेशल, बट what I want to tell you is today I am going to teach you something very important. आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसा पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. Something very important about yourself. Yes, about yourself. So any guesses which topic I am going to teach you today? Yes, today I am going to teach you the topic myself. The topic is myself. What is myself? जो टॉपिक है आपका माई सेल्फ, वो क्या होता है आपको पता है? माई सेल्फ इज नोइंग अबाउट योर सेल्फ. जो माई सेल्फ टॉपिक है वो आपके बारे में बताता है. हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ, वॉट इज द नेम ऑफ योर चाइल्ड, वॉट इज द नेम ऑफ योर स्कूल, एड्रेस, what is your age, and all these things should be known by a child of your age. Children, जो myself टॉपिक है उसका मतलब है कि आपको अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करना किसी और के सामने. आपको अपना नेम बताना, आपको अपनी एज बताना, आपको अपना स्कूल बताना, एड्रेस और बहुत सारी चीज़ें. ओके सो विदाउट टेकिंग मच टाइम ऑफ योर्स एंड विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्लास. सो सी हियर, ही इज अ बॉय, राइट? First of all, we are going to see how a boy going to introduce himself. सबसे पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि a boy अपने आप को कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करता है. So introduction of a boy. So first of all, he is going to tell his name. सबसे पहले ये अपना मतलब आप अपना नेम बताएंगे. So what is the name of his boy? His name is Rahul. His name is Rahul. What he is going to say? My name is Rahul. Okay. Then what he is going to tell? If he is a boy or a girl. So he is a boy, right? So what he is going to say? I am a boy. What? I am a boy. Then what is going to say? He is going to say his age. So he is going to tell you about the age. So what is his age? So what is his age? His age is 5 years old. What is his age? His age is 5 years old. So how many years old he is? He is 5 years old. He will say, I am 5 years old. Right? So children, ये क्या बोलेंगे कि मैं 5 years old का हूँ. Then he is going to tell about his class. फिर उसके बाद ये अपनी क्लास के बारे में बताएंगे जिस क्लास में ये पढ़ते हैं. In which class he is studying. So in which class he is studying, children? He is studying in UKG class. He is studying in UKG class. How will he say that? He will say that I study in UKG class. I study in UKG class. Okay. And finally, he is going to tell about his school. Which school he is studying. So, he will say, my school name is Rasa International School. He will say, my school name is Rasa International School. Clear, kids? Okay. So, I think introduction of a boy is clear to all of you. Good. Is introduction of a girl. So, next is introduction of a girl. So, this is a girl. Now we are going to about introduction of a girl. So what is her name? Her name is Ria. And she will be saying, my name is Ria. Will be saying, my name is Ria. Okay. And who is she? She is a girl. So she is saying, I am a girl. And how many years old she? She is 5 years old. So she is saying, I am 5 years old. And which class she is studying? She is studying in nursery class. So she is saying, I study in nursery class. And now, which school she is studying? She is also studying in Rasa International School. So she say, my school name is Rasa International School. My school name is Rasa International School. Okay. So children, I hope is it clear with you how to introduce yourself? Very good. Good job. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.